I remember after my multiple sclerosis diagnosis, my sleep was terrible. Then I was fatigued all day. Through the following morning until the next night, and the cycle would just repeat over and over. Sometimes it was insomnia. Other times it was restless leg syndrome. They say people with MS are even more likely to have them. I heard from many other patients that's probably why we can't restore our myelin. Now that I've done what they said I couldn't, I know that high quality sleep can have a positive effect on the formation of myelin. It's totally within your reach. Hey, it's Steve. I keep banging my head against the wall. I'm always desperately on the lookout for that science that would explain these life-changing effects that are happening to me. My MS has completely left. From what I've read, from what my subscribers have told me, that shows that everyone with MS can put it in their past. Aren't you excited? Referencing what I said at the beginning, the common bullet point that I always hear is that MS patients can't restore myelin. I totally reject that. Outright. Early on, I foresaw that recovery can't be done by one thing alone. It took me years to finally identify the 5 essential elements. And just this past year, I found the elimination of the Epstein-Barr virus to be crucial. So as for sleep, one of my 5 essential elements, it's good for a second step of a 2-step process. It only works when combined with weightlifting. If you think weightlifting is not for you, you're wrong. Weightlifting triggers signals in the brain up here that promote remyelination. And sleep is when the brain activates that repair. In a paper I often cite, they say in MS, an inflammatory autoimmune disease characterized by CNS demyelination, sleep disturbances are occurring in roughly 50% of the patients. However, it is unknown whether sleep problems are only a consequence of the illness or if they actively contribute to the progression of the disease. I know it's not either or. Both contribute. But the good thing is the opposite is true. High quality sleep can contribute to the progress of recovery and remyelination. I'm curious, when you were first diagnosed, was your sleep just as bad as mine? What sleep problems do you suffer with now? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.